Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by exposing the trim and understanding the lock style. This determines the method. Once you confirm a concealed screw cylinder, make a small access at the joint. Use a thin flat pry or putty knife to separate the rose or trim plate gently. Make sure to protect the door with tape and a cloth to avoid scratches. Why? Because hidden retainer clips or set screws often sit behind that rose. Exposing them now prevents damage and reveals the fasteners you'll remove next. You now focus on the retaining mechanism. Once the rose is lifted slightly, look for a C-clip, spring tab, or small grub screw accessible through a hole. Depress it with a 90-degree pick or a thin hex key to release tension. Make sure to support the spindle with your other hand as you free the trim. This prevents the internal cam from falling into the door. After the clip clears, slide the trim and exterior assembly straight off. This exposes the latch for removal. You finish by removing the latch and faceplate. Once the trim is off, unfasten the 2 screws on the latch faceplate and pull the latch housing straight out. Twist slightly if necessary. If it's stuck, apply a little penetrating oil, wait 5 minutes, then tap gently with a rubber mallet while pulling. If the retaining clip resists, make sure you tried the hidden access hole. Failing that, remove hinge pins and slightly open the door for better alignment. Tip: keep parts organized so
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.